Hey YouTube, it's HLEY. In this video, I will be showing you how I create my costume for this year on Halloween. A few years ago, I did a dope costume. I was Nicki Minaj from the See Now video.
Sky roll a check, helicopter pad, dropping off a body bag. Money talk, guess I got the gift of gab. Don't interject, don't intercept. You ain't on a jet, you ain't meet a bitch with this kind of money.
So I bought a few things that were similar to what she had on, and I created my tattoo, and it was dope.
Yeah, I gotta order more, I ain't set the time once. And I know they say they shine, I ain't see them shine once. All these rappers is my sons, and I'm always 9 months. Man, if this was baseball, I ain't let them slide once.
But back then, I wasn't really thinking about recording. I only have pictures of the process. And this go around, I think it'd be a good idea to record it. Why not? I could help other people who might want to recreate this look, and I could just show off my creativity because I'm gonna create this from start to finish, basically. So I hope everybody enjoys it, and I hope I do a good job because I'm literally gonna be recording this live on camera. So however it turns out is what you will see. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned to see who I'm gonna be for Halloween. So I got this jacket from Fashion Nova, and I'll be cutting the sleeves into 2 smaller sleeves for both of my arms and make the sleeves that left I had, and this is how they look. This bra is also from Fashion Nova. The gloves are from Amazon. The pants are from Walmart. The knee pads are from Walmart too. And this shirt is from Amazon. So I'll be marking it with this marker, and I'll cut along the lines that I drew. But it didn't really work out for me to do it this way, so I had to put the shirt on my body and mark it that way. That way, once it stretches, I can cut it accordingly and not cut it wrong. And here I am, cutting the lines, hoping it'll come out right. There we go. Okay. More cutting, more cutting. Gotta make sure I don't cut the button. Hey. Now, I don't know what this was that left I had on her leg, but I just said, let me just create this. So this is like some white construction paper and red construction paper, and I just cut it out, drew 2 ovals, cut it out, and I'm going to glue the red onto the white and let that dry. Now it's on to the next. My costume is done, and now it's time for me to do my makeup and then my hair. So I'm gonna just skim through the makeup process. I look crazy, yes I do, but I don't care because I'm about to look mad, poppin'. I'll be using this Stila palette from Sephora, which has these 2 pretty blue colors, and I'll also be using a metallic liquid eyeliner from Walmart, and I'll see what I can do with both of them. So this is what I came up with. It's not perfect, but it's as good as it's gonna get for today because I gotta go. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part my hair to how it's supposed to be, and then once it's parted, I'm gonna put it in the ponytails, and then I'm gonna do the buns, and then that's it. Here we go. So let me go get my comb so we can get this on and popping. So I'm gonna part my hair. So all of the buns are in my hair now, and now here comes the fun part, adding the hair to my hair. So I got the cheapest pack of straight hair so I can add it onto my buns. I honestly don't know how I'm about to do this. I done winged everything else today, so why not wing this too? Because I have no choice. And this here is Perm Yaki, 100% human hair. And I will put it on my head. So with the track, I cut it in half and then I folded it about 3 or 4 times. And then I wrapped them around my buns and I held it in place with the scrunchie. So I did not sew it in or none of the other fancy stuff because I do not do hair. I chopped my hair off. Look at my hair. I'm just laying my bang down some so it can have a nice lay when I take the scarf off. Who am I? Who am I? You want to take a guess? Or not? Yes, I'm Left Eye from the TLC No Scrubs video. And what? Hey yo, let me give you something to think about. Inundate your mind with a... No, that's not even how it began. I don't want no scrub. Scrubs again, I can't remember.
You're cute. Oh, hi, Tony. You look so pretty.
Thank you.
Girl, Tony. She's got skills, yo. She does. See, born in, you born. She made that. She bought the material and put it together. Oh, props to Tony.
Ma, cut my bang. I'm sad.
I told you not to. You don't listen.
I didn't know how to do it.
Let me see.
Somebody got to do it for me.
It's frozen. You didn't cut it right?
Yeah, it's good enough.
You need more hair though, you know that, right?
I'm not doing that.
I need to see your hair, come on.
I'm in the camera. What you talking about?
Your shoulders up. You try to fix the fridges you see.
I don't know how to fix those. This bun is a mess. I had to do it over.
Did a good job, girl.
I did? My arms is tired, Ma. I don't think I can finish this. I am finished. I did it. I'm Left Eye. I finished. I'm done. I'm fully dressed. I'm missing a few buttons on my pants, but I'm really over it at this point. I did it to the best of my ability. I couldn't really do my nails, so I just like painted them real quick, and that's how they are. So here it is.
Never rise. I don't find it surprising if you don't have the G's. Please me and bounce from here to the coast of overseas. So let me give you something to think about. Let your mind with intentions to turn you out. Focus on the picture in front of me. Do it clear as DVD on digital TV screens. Satisfy my appetite with something spectacular. Keep it nebula, and then I get back to ya. They rhyme without precision. Insatiable is what I envision. Can't detect acquisition from your friend's expedition. Mister, if you really wanna know, ask Chile. Could I be a silly hoe? High fidelity bonds and all my senoritas stepping when you feel lies. Cause you really on horizon. Scrubs, never rise. Don't find a surprise. You don't have to cheat. Yeah, it's supposed to see. So, let me give you something to think about. And then make your mind want to touch it to turn you out. If I get the focus on the picture in front of me, you was gay. Digital TV screen. That is what I have to love. Something spectacular. Check it vernacular. Take it back to you. So, big fillet. If you really want to know, ask HLEY. Could I be a silly hoe? Not really vibes. And I'm until you realize it's something when you realize that you don't take it up.
The creativity jumped out. Thank you all for watching my video. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. I had a lot of fun editing and creating the costume, and I really appreciate your support. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video, bye.